chapstick and you don't like it? Huh? Hi. Yeah. Is that good? Is that funny? You have to get the other side though. Yep. You want your chapstick? Here. Let's see. No? Oh, no way, she says. But that's how you have to turn so I can comb your hair on that side. Yeah, there you go. Hi. Hey. Here, comb it over here. I don't know if we can do that. I don't know. I don't know if it goes that way. Okay? Yeah?
And all the pretty hair's almost all gone.
Wow, look at that.
You look silly. You look like a sunshine.
Look it, that's like someone stuck your finger in a light socket.
Because I want to look at you. I don't want to look over there.
Stop that. Hey. Is that good? You still have to fix the other side.